grocery haul? All right, let's do it.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell. If you're new to my channel, here on this channel, we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, so I am here super casual today. I just did a Walmart grocery run, so I was like, let me just make a video out of it. So today is a Walmart grocery haul. So I'm gonna get started, no particular order. Let's start with this because it's the biggest thing on the counter. I'm gonna get it out of here. This is some Bounty Essentials paper towels. It's a 6, but they're double, so it's kind of like they are 12. Got these because I'm out of paper towels. Remember when it was hard to find any kind of paper products? Thank God, hopefully that's over with. Next up, I didn't realize the box was gonna be this big, but these are Freezer Guard double zipper bags. Great value, the Walmart brand. So I have 80 bags in here, so I should be set for a good while on freezer bags. I usually keep them in this drawer, but this is not gonna fit, so this is gonna have to go in the pantry shortly. I got 2 of these Lacroix. It's a 8-pack. Usually I get the 12-pack, but Walmart doesn't carry the 12-pack like my local other grocery store does. So I have these, and I'm gonna put these in the fridge. I got this for my garden, but garden's going well. Video should be up about that shortly. Next up is a berry medley: strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I love this for my French toast. I have been I have been craving bananas, so I got some sliced bananas. And then I got another one of these because this is just so good on yogurt, which if you guys want me to do a video on any kind of like recipes that I make from this, or my yogurt recipe, which is not it's thumbs up the video, so I'll know. If we get these thumbs up to maybe like, I don't know, 10 thumbs up, it'll let me know that you guys want to see some kind of easy recipes. Oh, I ran out of deep conditioner. This is my favorite deep conditioner, the Manuka Honey and Mafura. I got some actual bananas, so I wasn't sure they're gonna have the frozen, so I got fresh bananas as well. I usually get fresh drumettes, but I'm trying to cut down on having to go to the grocery store so much, so I got the all-natural chicken wing drumettes. It is the Great Value brand. It's 4 pounds of drumettes, so this is gonna last for a while. Next up, plain Lays. Got to have those staple Snackaroonies. This is my favorite cornbread, y'all. If you like sweet cornbread, this cornbread is so good. I'm sure the sugar content and carbs is out of this world, but you know, I don't eat it that often. It's really good on top of a chicken pot pie. Instead of a crust, do a cornbread. Oh, girl. I got some Cantina. These are my favorite, tortilla chips. They're like the salsa Cantina. Not salsa, they are the Cantina thin and crispy party size. So good, so salty. Everything you need for a little snack. I've been really into arugula lately, so I got the baby organic arugula and spinach mix. It is really good, and it doesn't have high fructose corn syrup. If you like a golden wing, or if you've never had a golden wing, it's like a mix between barbecue sauce and honey mustard. It's so good. And I put this on the wings. Like, I cook the wings in the oven, and then I toss it in the sauce after they're done. Look at me like I'm at a restaurant. So good, and if you make it at home, saves you money. All right, next up, we have some crushed tomatoes with basil. This would be good over pasta. This is a Cantina style salsa. This is the Great Value brand. I've never tried this, so hopefully it's good. Next up is some ground turkey. I really like this ground turkey. It's farm to family. It's a butterball all natural. It tastes really good. So this turkey, check it out if you've not tried it. Make some ramen with it. Yes, girl. I really like ground turkey in my ramen. Some organic marketplace eggs, also Great Value. They're organic. 12 large cage-free brown eggs. And did I mention, if I didn't mention, I like to do Walmart pickup because I'm dangerous in Walmart and I end up in the clothes section and I'm supposed to be getting groceries. So if you're like me, or if you're pressed for time, just do pickup. And if they don't have what you need, you can run in the store afterwards, but I like to do pickup. The only thing I couldn't do pickup for was the rotisserie chicken, which I've never tried the rotisserie, but my mom said they're so good. And it smelled, oh my gosh, so good. On $4.50, and it's a rotisserie chicken. I didn't realize it was lemon pepper, but that'll be fine. Today I'm gonna do a cheat chicken pot pie. Instead of cooking the chicken myself, girl, just use a rotisserie and cut it up. Bam, save me some time. I think that is everything. Last but not least are the mixed vegetables, carrots, green beans, corn, and peas that will go in my chicken pot pie. I also like to add broccoli. I have a little bit of that already in the freezer. So this is gonna be so good. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to press that subscribe button if you made it all the way here to the end. And please thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, or maybe some random recipes here or there, something simple, something easy and cheap. If you guys want to see that, thumbs up this video, leave a comment below, and let me know where you guys grocery shop. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.